How you doing? Your name and equipment real quick, man.
I'm good. I'm Rooster. Paul Rooster Mingy.
Yep.
Team OSC in the house. Got 4 DC XL Elites on 2 5Ks. DC 5Ks.
DC 5.
0.35 on each hand.
Oh, wow. Okay. Have you metered it yet?
Yeah, I've done 58.5.
Really? Wow.
Kind of like the...
And you haven't broken your glass yet?
No, not yet.
That's
Not
crazy.
yet. I'm surprised.
That is great.
I'm really surprised.
I mean, have you ever had a brace here to test?
No.
Or no? Okay. That might have helped then, because some people actually do shatter.
Me and Warren has looked at this windshield. It's got 2 flat spots on the corners, and we think that's why saving it.
Yeah, it's not contact. Okay.
This thing,
Yep.
it moves.
Yes, sir. Okay. Can I see the? You're welcome. Can I see the back?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Wow. Awesome. Nice. How much, what are these excess powers capacitors rated?
That's the Yinglongs.
Yinglongs, okay.
Yeah, there's 2 more packs in the side on there.
Okay.
About 160 ampere altogether.
Wow, okay, got it. Awesome. Thanks for showing me, man. You have a good day. Oh, that's a good idea. I like the way you did the PVCs for 2. That's brilliant.
Keep it still.
Yeah, that's a good idea. I like that. I just learned something. Appreciate it. You have a good day, man. Thank you. Wow. Yeah, I'd love a demo, man.
Let's get it going.
the moment that like it hits a certain frequency, it's like really, really windy. It opens up. I appreciate the demo, man. What's going on, everybody? This is JacobViral, ending this video to say thank you for watching my videos. Every single day I have a daily cardio video I upload. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and I'll see you tomorrow.